Day 2, man. Getting things done now, bro. I got to fix the frame. Other than that, with the freaking key. Other than that, finally got Brittany doing a project. We doing the walls, getting the walls down. But yeah, it's coming together. So I'm using these for the wood because they got to go through. Some of the pieces got to go through the installation. So I got these for that, and I got some smaller ones for the walls. But I'm putting this wood, majority wood in, so we can go ahead and mount the walls. So wish me luck.
Some off there? How it looking over there?
Nah, this right here good. It'll be leaning out like that. Because that way that wood at so we can start nailing it in. Push it out, push it to him. Yeah. That's where it's gonna be at. It'll be
God damn it! Oh my God, man! Hey, you okay? You want me to do it?
what?
No. And you talking about I might need you to drill you over. You out your mind! If that had been me, we would have been going to the hospital. Because you wouldn't know what to do.
I wouldn't know what to do.
Because you wouldn't know what to do.
Yeah. Day 2, guys. We got that piece of thing done. I can't tell you when to start.
Let me just say, y'all, this is not as easy as everybody made it seem on YouTube. This is not perfect. Because first of all, we don't know what we're doing. Second of all, we just putting in puzzle pieces is how I feel, and it's working out. I mean, it ain't perfect. Yep. I still gotta do some more cuts right here.
Yeah.
It ain't perfect, but it's perfect for me because I'm just ready to go.
See, got our floor. That wasn't even. This was actually a pretty. It was about $30.
Yeah.
So that's good. Then we got our wall.
You see?
We got one wall done.
I'm actually happy about this wall. I mean, you could tell with all of this and that, but I'm gonna paint it over it.
Yeah,
so
we actually.
It doesn't bother me.
We actually did good. Bro, look, bro. We had to make a curve We did. Man, I'm proud. We still got the dude wood right here. Wood over here. We already got a yeah, we already got a template drawing for that. And yeah.
I'm just tired. I'm ready to get this over with.
Day 2 out the way, man. We still got the roof, but day 3 on the way. Peace.